Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you why I love this new external image editor a lot from Midjourney here, because of the huge impact on aspect ratio in the prompt. So normally after I get the image that I like, I will have to bring it into an editor to fill up the site further using the AI, or make some little adjustment using the AI for better composition purpose, which is my main purpose. And I really love how the output here come out on the right hand side of the editor, so we doesn't need to go in and out again and again to continue editing.